My wife was busy day and night. I thought she was working for our future. But one day, a message on her phone shook my entire marriage. My name is Daniel. I am 33 years old and I live in a small, quiet city. I work as a librarian. My life was simple and my heart was peaceful before I married Emma. Emma was kind and beautiful. When we met, she listened to me carefully. She smiled when I talked. She cared about my dreams and my worries. After our marriage, life felt perfect. We cooked together. We watched movies at night. She held my hand and said, Daniel, no matter how busy life becomes, I will always make time for you. I believed her. But slowly things changed. After 1 year, Emma got a new job in a big company. At first, I was proud of her. She looked happy and strong. She said, This job will help our future. Soon, Emma started coming home late, very late. At first, she said, Sorry, Daniel, I have extra work. Then she stopped saying sorry. She left early in the morning. She came back tired at night. She ate fast. She checked her phone. She went to sleep. Days passed, weeks passed, and love started to fade quietly. One night, I cooked dinner for us. I waited at the table. The food became cold, the room became silent. Emma came home near midnight. I said softly, Did you forget we eat together? She did not look at me. She said, I am very tired, Daniel. Those words hurt more than shouting. Every day felt the same. She was in the house, but she was not with me. One evening, I tried again. I said, Emma, can we talk for a few minutes? She kept typing on her phone and said, Later. But later never came. That night, I sat alone on the bed and thought, when did my wife become too busy for my heart? One weekend, I planned a small surprise. I booked a table at the cafe where we had our first date. I dressed nicely and waited. Emma looked at her phone and said, I have a meeting. I said, Please, just 1 hour. She sighed and said, Daniel, you are acting like a child. Those words broke something inside me. She left. That night, I cried quietly like a man who lost his home while still living in it. After that, Emma became colder. She stopped asking about my day. She stopped holding my hand. She stopped looking into my eyes. One night, Emma went to take a shower. Her phone was on the bed. Suddenly, the screen lit up. A message appeared. I miss you. Today was hard without you. My heart started to shake. I did not open the phone, but my mind was screaming. When Emma came back, I asked calmly, Who misses you? She stopped walking. For 2 seconds, she said nothing. Then she said, It is just a colleague. But her eyes were not honest. That night, she slept facing the wall. I faced the ceiling. Between us, there was a deep silence. The next day, I followed her after work, not to spy, but because my heart already felt broken. Emma did not go to her office. She went to a cafe. A man was waiting there. They laughed, they talked, they sat very close, closer than busy coworkers. I stood outside unseen. My wife was smiling, the same smile she once gave me. In that moment, I understood the truth. She was not busy with work, she was busy with someone else. That night, I did not shout. I did not fight. I only said, Emma, are you still my wife? She looked tired. She sat down and said, Daniel, I lost myself in work and in another world. I forgot about us. Tears filled my eyes. I asked, Did you forget love too? She whispered, I think I did. Those words ended our marriage before any papers did. We tried to fix things, but broken time cannot return. After some weeks, Emma moved out. The house became quiet again, but this time it felt peaceful. Months passed. I learned something important. Love does not die because of hate. Love dies because of busyness without care. Today, I still believe in marriage, but now I know one thing. A wife should not only be busy with work, she must be present in love. and a husband should never beg for attention in his own home. My busy wife taught me this lesson. Sometimes losing someone is how you finally find yourself.